Today on Southern Accent Foods, it's white chicken chili. I always make chili for the first week of the NFL season, and this year I'm changing it up and doing a chicken version. Football food, let's get started. Start by dicing up some celery, a medium onion, and some bell peppers, red and especially yellow. I'll go over why in a minute. Also slice or mince up a few cloves of garlic. Canola oil in a Dutch oven, get everything except the garlic in. Season with salt and pepper, Cajun or Creole seasoning, and some cumin. Stir it up and cook until it's nice and soft, about 5 to 7 minutes. Add the garlic, 1 more minute. You're going to need 4 cans of white beans. Get them drained. Put them in the pot and cover with about a quart of chicken stock, lowest sodium you can get. Stir this all up and partially cover. Let it simmer on low heat for about 30 minutes. While you wait, I'm going to tell you why you're not seeing any corn in this recipe. I'm going to tell you something right now about corn. When I was growing up, I used to go hunting and fishing with my dad, and the guy who owned the land that we hunted on, he was a commercial farmer. He grew soybeans and he grew corn. But his stuff wasn't for people. It was processed, it was sold and processed into animal feed. So for me, corn is something that you feed to pigs. It's not really for human consumption. So I'm substituting something right here. Same color. I think it tastes better. I think it's better for you. I like grits. I like nachos. I like popcorn. But as far as just eating kernel corn, save that for the livestock. Pull the meat from a couple of rotisserie chickens. We're going to add this at the end. We ain't going to be simmering no damn chicken. I catch you simmering chicken, I'm going to send you out back and you're going to pick out a switch. We can finish this up now. Stir in some sour cream to lighten this thing up. Now we can fold in this roasted chicken meat. You got to trust me on this. Roast chicken separately. Don't ever simmer or slow cook chicken. Garnish with some shredded cheese, some cilantro, and anything else you like. Get some corn chips, turn on the game, and make an afternoon out of it. I was sitting out here on this dock one time fishing with my 2 good buddies, Boudreaux and Thibodeau. And there had been a boating accident, and the police had to send in divers, scuba divers, because they had to recover a body. So these divers pull up in their big boat, and they get their tanks on, they get their mask on, and then they set up on the edge of the boat. They flop off backwards in the water like scuba divers do. So Boudreaux looks at Thibodeau. He says, why is it when these guys do this scuba diving stuff, they fall off backwards in the water like that? Thibodeau says, because if they fell forward, they'd still be in the boat. If you'd like another recipe, if you'd like another great recipe for chili, click on this video right here, and I'll see you there.